The bowstring knot is the knot that creates a fixed loop. For making this knot, we take a rope, we take the running hand, and we make a overhand knot, like this. Then we take this part of the knot. If the running hand goes down here, we take this part and we pull a little bit up. Then we take the running hand and we put it inside this little loop. Then we pull the standing part and this part of the loop. And the knot is done. As you can see, it holds, but not at every angle. You see, in this part, yes, but if I turn, it comes out. So you have to be very careful about this knot.